Hi, my name's Tony and I'm the head chef of Liverpool John Moores University. Today we're going to be cooking a classic pasta carbonara with a mixed leaf salad. So the ingredients we're going to use some smoked bacon lardons, some Parmesan cheese, rigatoni pasta, some garlic and some eggs. So first job we're going to do is I've got a pan of boiling water on for when I need to cook the pasta. I've also put a frying pan on, just getting it up to temperature. And what we're going to do is we're going to fry the bacon lardons. What we're aiming to do is get these nice and brown and crispy and they release the smokiness. Because the lardons don't tend to need to put any oil in with them because they'll release a lot of oil. We'll let them fry down for about, I'd say 10-12 minutes. Also what we're going to do, once that starts to fry down, we're going to add some garlic, but we're not going to dice it up, we're just going to crush it slightly, because before we finish the dish we're going to take them out. What we want to do is, once the bacon starts releasing some of its fat and we've got the smokiness, we just want to impart a little bit of garlic to it. But we will be taking it out towards the end of the dish. Just while we're waiting, we're going to separate these eggs. So we're looking to get 6 egg yolks. The bacon lardons are starting to colour now, so we want to get rid of all of this liquid, and we want them to go nice and brown and crispy and evenly golden. So I'm going to put the garlic in with them now. Just going to leave it on the same temperature, it's on a medium temperature, and just let them cook away. So in this container we've got 6 egg yolks that I've just separated. I'm going to mix them with the Parmesan cheese, the grated Parmesan cheese now. Put it all in, 100 grams, and I'm going to go in with lots of cracked black pepper. Going to mix all this in so it's really well mixed, the egg yolks, the Parmesan cheese, the black pepper, so it's almost like a paste. That's it. So our water's boiling now. I'm just about to add a bag of pasta. So always look at the bag. This says 11 to 13 minutes. What we're aiming to do is cook it al dente, so it's just got a bite, because when we add it to the bacon and we build the sauce, residual heat will cook it to where we want it to be. So the bacon's coming on really nicely. Just turn that up a touch just so we can get it cooking a bit faster. I'd say with that maybe we'll probably leave it on for another 5 to 10 minutes. It should be good. We've got that residual garlic taste. Just take all the ones I can see. Just going to give it a bit longer, get a little bit more colour. So, took the pasta off now. We're going to drain it. The key thing is that we need to retain some of the water. I'll just drain this in here. We can add our pasta straight into there. Now we're going to add the mixture that we made earlier on into this pan. That mixed in, all mixed in. Need to add some of the cooking water, just 1 ladle full. I'm just going to get it on a good shake. And what we'll do is we'll just leave the lid on, we'll give that 5 minutes, and that residual heat plus the water will have cooked the egg yolks through. You don't need to put it back on the heat. I think that's where sometimes people scramble the egg. You just let the residual heat. If you want it a little bit wetter, you can also add some more of the cooking water, maybe some more Parmesan cheese, but I'm just going to add some more black pepper to it. Taste it, make sure it's seasoned okay. A little bit more salt. Let's give it another shake. Get a portion out. And that's it. Rigatoni carbonara.